The question is, what are some negative side effects of getting the wisdom teeth removed? There are many positive effects or any benefits of getting the wisdom teeth removed. Of course, no procedure comes with no side effects. So of course, there are some side effects, and any surgical procedure that we do, we can talk about like zillions of complications that can happen. Pain, swelling, infection, and delayed healing, and all of those. Those are things, what we call it as a immediate or a short-term complications, which most of the time that they just get better. Some patients may just get better like in a couple of days. Some patients may take about a week or 10 days for them to get better. Again, those are like short-term complications that may happen. Most of the patients that are fine. But one of the most common complications on the chin or the lip goes really high. Most of the time, depending on the age of the patient and depending on the severity of the impacted tooth, most of the time this numbness could be temporary, but very rarely these numbnesses become kind of permanent. That means you won't be able to feel the chin or the lip or even sometimes the tongue properly after the wisdom teeth removal. So again, talking about the complications, like I said, most of the complications are temporary, and this is one of the most common complications that might happen that could become permanent. But for the most part, the wisdom teeth procedures are pretty straightforward. The chances of these complications to happen is very rare, although it is rare, but it can happen, and that's one of the most common complications that patients are more concerned about than anything else, because the other ones are very easy to handle.